Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Colgate Max Fresh Whitening Toothpaste. It says breath strips. It has breath strips in it. Okay, I'll show you what that means in a moment when I show you the actual product. So this toothpaste is said to invigorate your brushing experience and leave your breath feeling fresh for hours. It fights cavities, whitens teeth, and freshens breath. I have it in the flavor Cool Mint, and yeah, it says bursting with freshness, long-lasting hours. So on the back you have your drug facts, active ingredients such as sodium fluoride, which is used to fight cavities, and then you have your typical toothpaste directions. Brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal or at least twice a day or as directed by a dentist or physician. If you don't want to use it for children under 2, there are other children-based toothpastes for children under 2, and if for 2 to 6, just use a really small pea-sized amount and make sure that you wash them so that you can be sure that they rinsed and didn't swallow too much of the product. So yeah, so I like this toothpaste a lot. I think it has a really nice flavor to it, and it really does keep my breath feeling pretty fresh for until I eat again. But yeah, I have it in a 6-ounce tube here, so just know that it is not TSA compliant. So if you are wanting to fly, you cannot take this on the airplane with you. You'd have to throw your checked-in luggage. So it is kind of on the tube is on the bigger side. I believe they have smaller ones. Even then, I don't know that they have any in this specific kind that is small enough to, I don't think they have really travel size ones that are this big or so, but you know. So we'll go ahead and open this up. You don't have to twist it open like this when you first get it because it doesn't come with a thing, but I'm going to show you just that hole. It is blue, and then it has this little, there you go. So I think one of the downsides to this is that this hole is so big compared to the size of the lid, so it's really difficult to keep it clean. I know especially if you have kids are really awful about keeping the toothpaste tube clean, and so if that's really important to you, it's going to be really hard to do with this one, just because the hole itself is so big and then this lid is so small. But yeah, that's just something to be aware of. So every time you open it, there's gonna be more and more, it just kind of sticks together. It's kind of annoying. So it's a really pretty blue color anyway, and you can see one of the breath strips that I was telling you about right there, that little white speck. That's what that is. That's what they mean when they are calling it, when they say breath strips in the product, and that's what they're talking about in the product that freshens your breath and keeps it feeling fresh for hours, as they say. I don't know if it's really hours, but it is nice. It is it says Cool Mint. It's a pretty strong minty flavor, so if you're not really into mint, you might not like the taste of this because it's kind of strong. It's not something that someone could who was okay with mint but didn't really like it is going to be able to really handle, because it's kind of strong. So just be aware of that. It's like a gel. It's a bit of a gel consistency, so it's not really pasty. It's more of a gel. It is really sticky, and like I said, it's easy to make a mess with this. If you put it on your toothpaste or if you spill a little bit on the sink or something, it's not the easiest thing, can you see that, in the world to clean off. You gotta, if you wipe it with your finger, then you're gonna have to scrub a little bit to get it off the finger, because even if you put it under the running water, it's not just gonna slide off. You have to rub it to get it off. So it is pretty sticky. It is, I think, on the messier side, but I mean, what can you do? It comes in a box just like this. This is what the product came in. So that's why I'm I know if you've seen other one of my videos, I usually complain when the product that I buy doesn't have a foil around the opening of the lid, but I didn't have anything to say about that for this because it comes in a box and the box is sealed. You have to rip the box open. I think I opened it on the bottom. Anyway, if there is a bottom, I don't know. Anyways, it comes in a box, so Just so you know, I think most toothpaste is coming up. Maybe they do. Maybe they don't. I'm not sure now. I feel like I need to pay attention. So the box also has more of your ingredients. It has warnings. It says keep out of reach children under six years of age. And if more than used for brushing is accidentally swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. And it has the phone number for that on the box. You can get more ingredient information at smartlabel.colgate.com. If you want any more information on the ingredients, the box itself, and I believe the toothpaste tube itself has some, it has your inactive and active ingredients listed on there. So you got active and then your unactive ingredients on the other side. So there are two separate websites. The box says Smart Label, which actually I think that's for more information on your ingredients. And then you can also go to colgate.com/maxfresh to get more information on like this specific brand of toothpaste. So overall I really like this toothpaste. It does the job, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.